Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forum.
Coolest experience was when I saw the snow for the first time. That was chilling and definitely coolest. Hi guys, this is Sara Khan and today I'm with India Forums doing 33 questions.
The first question, the first thing you do when you wake up.
The first thing I do when I wake up is drink a lot of water and straight go to the washroom.
A useless talent that you have.
That I can type without looking at my phone.
Weirdest thing that you have ever eaten.
Weirdest thing, octopus.
One celebrity whose Instagram game you love. मतलब उनके Instagram उनका Instagram handle आपको पसंद है.
Oh, Jennifer Lopez.
Number of hair ties you lose in a week.
Hair ties in a week? Maybe 1,000.
Your go-to party dance move.
This person. Yeah.
The most eventful day in your life till now.
When I got my first show with I. That changed my life.
One of your most scary experience.
Scary experiences when I went for a shoot in Jaipur and that entire place was haunted and nobody told me that it is. I shot it and later I got to know it is India's top 10 haunted place.
Oh, which one was that?
I forgot the name of it, but yes, there was this Jaipur, some mahal.
Okay. Your go-to makeup product.
Blush.
One thing about yourself you wish to change.
Nothing. I love myself.
One set where you have enjoyed the most.
I loved working Ram Milai Jodi, ZTV. My character was super fun, so I just loved that.
If you could jump in a pool of something, what will it be?
Pink water.
Enact 3 emojis that come to your mind right now. Your best friend forever.
My best friend forever. Here is and Angat. Angat Azija is my best friend forever. He'll always be. And this question is
one dish you always order while eating out.
One
dish you always order while eating out.
It's never like one dish, but these days I tell you, I love chicken croissant.
One thing you miss about home when you're traveling.
Hachiko.
If you had to get a tattoo right now, what will it be?
I'll never have a tattoo.
The coolest experience you have ever had.
Coolest experience was when I saw the snow for the first time. That was chilling and definitely coolest.
One thing you love to do on your day off.
Just do nothing and watch Netflix or just, yeah.
If you had to plan a pamper itinerary for yourself, what will it be?
I'll go to Maldives and I'll be there near the sea and just eat yummy food and look at the sky and the sea. That's it.
Something you are dying to do right now.
Something I'm dying to do right now is to eat something tasty.
The weirdest haircut you want to experiment with.
Never, please. I'll never do that to myself.
What would your perfect room look like?
My perfect room will look like, maybe I just want to have the entire universe in my room. Like, you know, that your ceiling is full of the planets and the Milky Way. I don't have it yet.
You have that now. It works the same way.
Yes.
Which is the most interesting place you have ever visited?
The most interesting place, as I said, Maldives. I loved it.
What's the best thing that happened to you last week?
Last week, when I finished my first schedule of my film, which I'm producing myself.
The last time you got pranked or you pranked someone?
Oh yes, I was in Gulmarg recently. There I pranked my co-actors by telling them that I am stuck in a landslide and they ran coming over and they just, you know, they actually could kill us because that was very scary for them to run on the roads. क्योंकि पूरा सब कुछ वहाँ पे चीता, शेर ये सबका डर रहता है and then we pranked and I didn't realize कि जान का खतरा हो गया था यार. So that was crazy.
A job you have always wanted to try.
I never wanted to do any job.
If you were an animal, which one would you be?
Hachiko.
If you had to get stuck with two celebrities in an elevator, who would it be?
Jennifer Lopez and Hrithik Roshan.
Have you crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, who?
Tinkerbell.
Okay. If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what that question will be?
If I want to know the absolute truth, I want to see heaven and hell.
Okay. Which Indian reality show you would love to be a part of?
I've been a part of all the Indian reality shows mostly.
Yeah.
So,
Is there anything left? No. Okay, lastly, where are you going after this interview?
where am I going? I'll be going to my room to wash my face.
Okay. So that's a wrap with this segment. I
Thank you.
hope you enjoyed
Thank
it.
you. Yes, it was fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.